Hello everyone. So in this video we will be solving problems of exercise 7.1. Okay. So without wasting time, let's start. So you can see question number 1 is find the distance between the following pair of points. So let's start with first part. The distance formula is already written here. Okay. So according to distance formula, this distance will be equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 4 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 1 minus 3 whole square under root. That is how much? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is how much? 4. Plus 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is how much? 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. That is 2 root 2. Okay. So this is the distance. So second part is again x2 minus x1 whole square. So we will get minus 1 minus of minus 5. So it will come plus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 3 minus 7 whole square, whole inside under root. So how much we will get? Minus 1 plus 5 is how much? 4. 4 square is how much? 16. Plus 3 minus 7 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 square is how much? 16. So 16 plus 16, that is root 32, and root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. So answer is 4 root 2. So let's come to the third part. So third part is we have to find the distance between a comma b and minus a comma b. So let this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, that is distance will be given by minus a x2 minus x1 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus b whole square inside under root. So what we are getting? Minus a is how much? Minus 2a. Minus 2a whole square is 4a square. Plus minus b is how? Minus 2b. Minus 2b whole square is 4b square. Now see here, 4 is common. So we will take common, and when 4 will come out, it will give you 2. So we will get 2 into under root of a square plus b square. That is our answer. Okay. So let's move to question number 2. Okay. So see, in this video I will be little fast because already you have understood how to solve questions. So I will be increasing my speed little bit. Okay. Otherwise this video will become too long. So focus 100% here. Okay. Let's move to the second question. So question number 2 is find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So here x1 and y1 is how much? 0, 0. So if you see here, if you are putting x1 and y1 0, 0, then this formula will become d equals to under root of x2 square plus y2 square. Okay. So d is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So if I will put it here, then we will get 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. Okay. That is 36 square plus 15 square. Okay. So 36 square is how much? 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So under root of 1296 plus 225 is how much? Under root of 1521, which is nothing but under root of 39 square. So this square and root will be cancelled, so it will become 39. Okay. So distance between point 0, 0 and 36, 15 is how much? 39. Okay. 39 what? 39 units. Because here unit is not mentioned, it is not, they have not given whether it is centimeter or meter, hence we will write it as 39 units. Okay. Okay. So question number 3 is determining the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 are collinear. Okay. So I had already solved one question on this concept. Okay. So I had told you that when 3 points will be collinear. Okay. So when sum of the length of two sides is equal to the length of the third side, then the 3 points are collinear. So let's solve. So let the points be a 1, 5, b 2, 3 and c minus 2, 11. Okay. So let's find the distances AB. So AB will be under root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is nothing but 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 square is 1. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus 2 square is how much? 4. So plus 4. So how much we are getting? Root 5. Okay. Let's find BC now. So BC equals to under root of minus 2 whole square plus 11 minus 3 whole square. That is how much? Minus 2 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 square is how much? 16 plus 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. 8 square is how much? 64. So under root of 16 plus 64, that is nothing but root of 80. Okay, and root of 80 can be written as under root of 16 into 5, which is nothing but 4 root 5. Okay, so let's find AC now. So AC will be under root of minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 11 minus 5 whole square. So how much we will get? Minus 2 minus 1 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 square is how much? 9 plus 11 minus 5 is how much? 6, and 6 square is how much? 36. So we are getting under root of 45. Okay, under root of 45 is nothing but can be written as under root of 9 into 5, which is nothing but 3 root 5. Now see here, AB plus AC is how much? Root 5 plus 3 root 5. That is nothing but 4 root 5, which is nothing but 4 root 5 is how much? BC, which is nothing but BC. So since AB plus AC is equal to BC, hence points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 are collinear. Okay, I am not going to write that. Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 4.